Hi there traders and those who want to make real free cash. This is a $50 no deposit bonus. It's free and I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take to claim it. Now this broker here has been around for quite some time now and now they're back again with a more serious business. So let's go. Now, when you click on the link in the description of this video, it brings you straight up here where you're going to enter your details, fill in your details, and you're going to verify that you're not a robot. You're a human being. And then an OTP code will be sent to your email, which you're going to enter in the box. And then you click on you have read and accept the terms and conditions, and you're going to continue sign up. Receiving OTP via email is really quick, so head up straight to your email app and copy your code and paste it in the OTP box. And after doing that, you click on sign up. Alright, so here is the page and your account has been successfully created. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to click on mobile number verification. After you've clicked on mobile number verification, it's very easy. So you just input your number and an OTP code will be sent to the phone number. You're going to enter that and you're going to proceed. Alright, if it takes a while to get your OTP via your mobile number, don't panic. Just click on send code again and it's going to come in. Alright. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to do is to enter your personal details and authenticate. Now, this no deposit bonus here requires you to verify. You'll be required to verify. I'm going to quickly do that to save time. So after your verification, it's going to be pending for a little while. Okay. So what you need to do is to click on the menu and then click on tickets. Yeah, so after clicking tickets, you click on create ticket. Now you must only do this after you have done your verification. Okay, so you're going to create ticket title as no deposits bonus, and the subject is already written there. So you just select bonus request. In the importance level, you can click high, and so you input your text so that your no deposit bonus will be sent to your account. You know, an account has been created for you via your email. Okay, so your login details will be sent to your email along with your password. Alright, so you type hi, I am requesting for the no deposit bonus. I have been verified. Remember, you do this only after you have verified. Okay. Alright, so you can still see that the verification is pending, but the ticket has been resubmitted successfully. Alright, now you can give this video a like, you can share, and you should subscribe so you won't miss out on any updates. After verifying your account and your ticket has been created, head straight to your email where you will copy your ID and your password. Now, this ID and password are what you're going to use to log in on a MetaTrader app. So let's quickly run through the terms and conditions for this no deposit bonus. Alright, so you can see that it is only available to new verified users and the leverage is capped at 1 to 100. Okay, so the bonus is available on MetaTrader platform. Either you're using desktop, the app, or via web address. Okay, alright, so the minimum amount is $100. That is, you have to make up to $100, build the account up to $100 before you can withdraw. Okay, and for every $50 in profit, you have to trade a minimum of 3 standard lots. Alright, so you can only use the bonus within 30 days of being credited, and you cannot trade crypto and stocks with it. Alright, and when you're trading on a particular pair, you cannot both buy and sell on a particular pair, but you can do it on different pairs. Okay, alright, so the bonus is available exclusively on MetaTrader app, only on MetaTrader app. Do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It is good for you and it is good for others. This is Cyrus. See you around.